Hello, hello everyone. This is my Friday healthy check-in day. So, this is where I show you my documentation. Not too bad of a week. It was pretty good. Here's my weigh-in for today. It was 384. I gained a pound back. I know why though. I went to Dollar Tree this week, got some sweets. I was bad. Nothing new, right? I wasn't so good on keeping track of everything though. So let's see, where did I leave off? So I walked one round, didn't track the time. Walked 2 rounds, didn't track the time. I was really bad. Did Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree by myself, used my walker. So I walked up and down each aisle. I walked pretty good. I think I was in there for a good 25 minutes. So I should have wrote down like at least 25 minutes. I did one walk because of course I was sore after the day. Watched the dogs that was Wednesday, and after I watched the dogs, then I went grocery shopping by myself with my walker. Did not use a motorized cart, so I was really proud of myself. So I picked up some groceries. I think I was in there for, I want to say 18 minutes. I didn't need much. And then Thursday went to my friend's house. So I didn't do any walking per se, but I did get out of the house and do activities, you know. But I think I should count it, right? And then today we've done 1 walk so far. I really want to do 2. I did 18 minutes worth, which I will show you that video. I did film it today. And then later on, it's going to be 90 degrees. So that's why we got the morning walk out of the way as soon as we could. And then this evening, we're probably going to do a nighttime walk after the sun's gone down, because it's going to be hot today. Can't believe it. So, there, I'm still tracking my walking. And then I have one video for you to watch for today. So here we go. Let's turn off the... Come on. Sorry, the camera's wiggling. I had to turn off the flash there, or the light.
Hello everyone, and happy Friday! Today is my health check-in with you all. And hold on. Notice the camera was blurry.
The camera's blurry, so then I tried to like wipe it off while I was still filming, and my husband's like laughing at me.
Here's my cameraman. Hello everyone, happy Friday. Let's go down to the mailbox.
I hope you guys can hear it okay.
And then in 2 days, it's going to be 60-something.
Yeah, we're at that point.
Yeah, 90 degrees today, and then in 2 days' time, it goes back down to 60. We've got a roller coaster weather pattern going on right now.
I disagree.
90 until the end of June, right?
I did do a longer walk today, though.
This way, dear. This way. You guys backing up. That needs to be trimmed, huh? Alright, now we can cross.
there was a trailer, definitely.
I'm not standing up straight today.
That sounds like a choice.
Not really. Forgot to put my glasses on.
You almost forgot the phone.
I didn't forget the phone.
I didn't forget the phone. I was
No,
just
'cause I
being
would've
lazy
got
today,
it
and I
together.
really didn't want to film it, but he reminded me that I told you guys that I would do that on Fridays, so I need to keep my word.
Huh.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
I can definitely feel that sunrise already.
Did you want to check the mail, or do you
Yeah,
want me
it was warming up very quickly this time. I was shocked.
Somebody forgot their water. Yeah.
Nothing. No love today.
All right, where to now? You want to go that way? No?
Yeah, I think there's a
All right,
place.
let's do it.
I wish it was a little cooler. I wonder if
Jump
they're
up.
going to open the pool yet.
They jumped up 2 degrees in like a minute. It was just a few minutes. So it's probably like 96 now. From 92 to 94 in just a few minutes. Or not 90. 70, sorry. 72 to 74. Which means it's probably 76 now or higher. Okay, how come they just... How come they...
Is that what the new one's starting to look like? Instead of...
I don't know. I mean,
That's
this
fun.
is the only one here. No, there's one more right there, but these look old.
Yeah, that's pretty new, honey.
Looks pretty old to me.
That's plastic.
I know.
Apparently the big
Well,
cemented ones break easily.
sidewalk is really tense. Tilted. Be careful.
This part right here, how they have it all around, makes no sense to me. Unless there's a bunker.
Mm-hmm. It's possible.
Our apartment complex used to be
A military
military base for families
back in the 70s.
back in the 70s. And since then it has been converted over to just regular apartments for anyone, right? So there's a few spots on the property that makes me think that they have some bunkers here and they're not letting us know. Because like this side of this building, no one knows what's in there. We're not allowed. They can't just be like a power box because the power boxes are
Outside.
outside.
What a From a distance, I thought that pipe was a sewing machine.
I can kind of see it, yeah. Little squirrel digging.
Huh? Where? Oh, I see him. Okay, yeah. Are those going to turn into
Pine cones?
pine cones? No? Maybe? No, I don't think so.
I mean, we do get little pine cones. But they're not like big, like watering this grass.
No, they were using it for the
Oh, that's right. They were
cement for
It's like they were doing something under the cement. It made it sound like they were tearing this whole section up just to...
No, it's just, they were digging up the asphalt over here.
We can get her through there.
Want to go through there or through there? Through here? Alright.
I don't think they would mind if we squeeze by. Nice day for a walk, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
at least for now.
Yeah.
2 hours here, it's going to be...
Oh, yeah. Get in before it gets too hot. Yeah, well, I'm sorry for punching your way. Oh, no, you're fine. We can
She can handle it.
You're welcome. Trying to help our son get you. Move it out or move it in? Move it out. Move it out.
Aw.
Have a good day.
You too. Are we going this way or that way? This way? Okay. The shade's nice.
For now. Hold on. Once we the ladies in the office, so I can ask them if they'll do a barbecue.
Ask them if they have any plans to do a barbecue. Okay.
Do something for Halloween. Last year they only did that pumpkin contest, which I wanted to
A
do.
barbecue for Halloween, huh? Okay.
I think it's cool. Better to do it like in October than July when it's like super hot. That was fun. Well, the pool will be open, but some people might like that. This is fucking real wood. Okay. So how's everyone doing? Getting your walks in for the week? You'll let me know how your weather is too. I know some of my YouTube friends were still getting snow just a few weeks ago. And then some were already in the 90s.
Like where about again?
I got my YouTube friends all over.
love this, but what you guys think of this?
First aid.
No way to get to it.
I think they need to change that sign. I wonder if that's been on there since the military filming.
I doubt it's that old.
I mean, you can see that it's...
You can see that it's above the paint, though.
Well, they could have took it off and repainted. Should we give them a signal?
That seems like too much work for them. Did you wish to stop filming when you get to the office, or?
So you can pause. We're going to pause you guys when we go into the office to talk, because I don't want to offend anyone if they don't want to be filmed.
I don't see their cars here.
Did they take Friday off?
It's possible. It says open. The rose bushes are starting to get buds on them.
The roses are popping out. I'm so excited.
Okay.
Alright, pause.
Walk ahead.
Alright, there we go. Unpause.
We grabbed some peanuts from the office. Oh, look at these.
See full of squirrels out here?
I thought that was...
Huh?
I thought that was just a leaf, but no. It's probably like a little desert flower, huh? But no, we went into the office. We asked them some questions, and then I got some peanuts for the squirrel.
If we see them out here.
What about these back here? Well, I see that top one right there peeking.
It's like it's got sap leaking out of them.
What kind do you think that is?
I don't know, but you can see it like
Yeah, I know. I see the sap.
out on the leaf right there,
Yeah, it's very sticky.
coming out of whatever that is. I don't see him anywhere. Just throw him right down there.
I know I'm going to see some up there. It's not crazy.
Okay. I can see one right there. Pine tree seems to be awfully strong smelling. Hi, little buddy. We spotted you. Got some nuts for you. And here he comes. He's thinking about it. Huh? That made it. Made his day, I'm sure. Turned around to see another squirrel hopping all over the place. Oh. I didn't know if you wanted to go that way or this way. I just...
Yes.
You've almost completed one of the walks I do without you. When you're not here. I've been slowly trying to add on a little more walking, you know. Oh, thought you wanted to say something.
Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Checking in, make sure I'm still eating food on my walking. My husband is,
Nagging.
I was going to say, a coach with strong passion.
Drill sergeant.
That he's been helping me. Alright guys, have a magical day. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, there we go. So, yeah, I'm still keeping up my walking. There are days that I just do one walk, and there's days I do 2 walks. And there has been there was maybe 1 or 2 days since the walking challenge has been over that I just haven't walked at all because I was too sore. So I am being kind to myself. And now that it's starting to get hotter, I am reminding myself, and I want to remind you guys too, to keep up, drink your water. The hotter it gets, the more that you're going to need that water so you don't, make yourself sick. Drink your water, stay hydrated, stay cool, use your sunscreen, stay out of the direct sunlight, use the shade that you got nearby. Try to walk either early in the morning or late at night so you're not in the peak of the heat of the day, And I know in our area it will get up to 100, sometimes 101, 102. And on those days, it is okay to just stay indoors, stand up out of your chair, and just walk in place, Do some exercises in a chair. I know there's quite a few channels out there right now that are doing the stretching while you're sitting in a chair type thing. Just keep those muscles stretched out and moving, type exercises. Very low key, but still very, very important. Walk around in your house if you need to, or if you have the means to use a gym or indoor pool. The swimming is really good on joints, people that can't move around really well, people like me. Pools are really good, and if you can find an indoor pool, even better. Stay out of that heat. So yeah, I just want to remind everyone, no matter how disabled you are, there still is a way that you can move your muscles and do exercise. You don't have to do a whole walk like I just did. Even for someone like me that uses a walker, that was a pretty good walk. That did it. But if you're more disabled than me, could you possibly just stand up out of your chair and just walk in place for a little bit? Or maybe walk up and down your hallway a few times? Or if you can't stand at all, can you stretch your legs or stretch your arms and do some breathing, stuff like that. It's okay. as long as you keep those muscles moving. Okay? It's less, I mean, losing weight is a positive thing. It's good for us, especially if we're overweight like me. But it's very important the older we get, especially with our disabled, it's really important to keep moving. So yeah, I just want to encourage everyone, and if you are, let me know what you're doing. If you're making videos on it, like I am, once a week now, let me know. I will come to your channel, support you, give you a high five or coaching you on, because we all need to love and support each other. It's very important these days. Very important. Alright. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe, stay cool, and have a magical day. Bye.